Hey Amazon, welcome back to the campground and welcome to our RV and our kitchen because I got to show you this GRANITESTONE diamond collection. This is a 20-piece cookware set that I got for my wife. She wanted the emerald green and this stuff looks sharp and it's fantastic. It's non-stick, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. But that's not the cool part. Take a look at this. This is one of the small skillets, and looking at the camera and looking at the color of the pan, it doesn't even compare. What you're seeing on the camera looks like a little bit of a dark green, but this is like a rich emerald dark green. It has a nice shine to it. It just looks fantastic. It's going to pop in any kitchen. The handle's also a shiny silver, so it's a great complement to these. And it's not just cookware, you get bakeware too. Now we don't bake much here in the camper, but look at this cookie sheet and look at this muffin tray. Again, just the rich emerald green, and it looks amazing. Now if I'm honest, we've only had these for about 2 weeks. We've really have been using them very lightly just because they look so good. We don't want to ruin them in any way, shape, or form. But everything that we've tried cooking on them, grilled cheese, steaks, eggs, everything, no issues whatsoever. The pans that we have used, I can't even tell you which ones they are just by looking at them because they still look brand new. But we'll go through it real quick what you get in that 20-piece set. You get that small skillet I showed you, the muffin tray, the bacon tray, 2 different size frying pans, 2 different size sauce pots, a bigger pot. This is what I would cook spaghetti in. You also get a strainer that goes inside the pot, a bread pan for bacon, 9x9 and a 9-inch round, and you get a whole fryer setup. I don't even know what to say about this set. It looks great. This is one of the best looking sets that we've ever bought for our kitchen. And the fact that we have it inside our camper is unbelievable. But as always, what you want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Well, heck yeah, I love this thing. It's beautiful. And it comes in other colors. Like the blue is also gorgeous. She just wanted the green. So of course she's going to get what she wants. But there's nothing about this set that I don't like. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean, it's non-stick, looks fantastic, and we got a lot of pots and pans within the set. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not a master chef, so I don't know if there's something better out there, but this is the best set that we have ever owned. It's always Amazon. I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.